Hi, my name is Catherine Wendt with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to give you an update on an HP battery recall. It was first announced in January 2018, and HP has expanded it as of January 2019. This impacts some HP notebooks and some mobile workstations. So they're very specific about which models, but not all laptops have been affected by this, so that they want to be really clear about that. They even have a validation tool that you can go to their website, you can put in the information about your laptop and find out whether it is being impacted by this recall or not. So basically, those that are, there is a fire hazard, an overheating hazard with that battery. So it is important for you to take a look and see if your laptop, your mobile workstation might be impacted or not. They have a website. The link for that is sitting here in this email. We'll also put it up on our website so that you can just click on that, go in there, enter your information, and find out if your laptop is impacted or not. On a side note, one of our laptops did fall under this, and we went ahead and ordered the replacement battery. The tech that had this happen said it was extremely easy, happened really quickly. Battery arrived, be forewarned, it's in a huge box with extra padding and extra, I don't know, packing material because it was a battery. So we weren't even really sure we got the right thing. Sure enough, you open it up and there's this little battery in there. The other thing is HP sent a tech out to open up the laptop, do the replacement, and take the bad battery out with him. Took only a few minutes, really easy. They came to the office, got it done during regular work hours, and they were on their way. So good experience overall, even though it might be a little frustrating that your laptop may be impacted by it. Check out the link, go to the validation tool, see if it applies to you or not, and if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to give you a hand with that. So be careful, be safe. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.